At Down to Earth, we're really excited to move and expand our Kailua location. This new store will be located at Lauhala Shops, which has been redeveloped by Alexander and Baldwin from the former Macy's building. Hi, I'm Cece Kong and I'm the Community Outreach Team Leader for Down to Earth. We're excited to relocate our largest Down to Earth store in Kailua because Down to Earth is really known for being connected with both the locals and tourists. Down to Earth Kailua currently is a much smaller store than what it plans to expand to, and it's going to over double in size to 15,000 square feet. The new Kailua store will have everything you know and love about Down to Earth, including local and fresh organic produce, grocery items, natural living items, vitamins, supplements, and also an expanded deli. And that will be the major new feature of the new Kailua store. We'll have lots of different stations where you can choose from exciting new options such as pizza, Asian wok bowls. We'll have made freshly fried chips and fries. We'll also have vegetarian sushi, and then all your old favorites like our made-to-order smoothies, sandwiches, and of course, the hot table and the salad bar. The new Kailua store will also have an all-new interior design. It will feature traditional kapa art, which we've hired a local Hawaiian artist to do, and we've also engaged Hawaii's oldest design firm, Philpott's Interiors. Kailua is such a bustling area. We're super psyched to move and to expand our company.
This segment is sponsored by Down to Earth.